What's up, beautiful people, to another Green Thumb Family video. It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I am back with another video, and this one is all about how to repot your plants. As you can see, this fiddle leaf is doing horrible, and I largely believe it's because of the pot that it's in. It's not in a draining pot. However, my Swiss cheese is doing fabulous. Like, oh my gosh, the leaves on this thing is amazing. So what I'm going to do is transport this plant into this pot, this plant into this pot, and hope for the best, because I have another fiddle leaf in this size flower pot and it does well. I think it is because of the way the watering is done in this pot. So go ahead and check out the other video where I talked about how this pot receives water for the plant and things like that. It'll help you, but nonetheless, I'm going to do what I do for this video, which is show you how to switch pots. Now, the first thing you want to do, if you haven't already noticed, is get you something to go on the ground. I just ripped open a trash bag because I don't want to lose any dirt. No dirt will be left behind. No dirt will be trash or anything like that. Anything that falls, I can just easily get it up, put it back in a pot, and things like that. And so what I'm going to do is take out this plant first, because this one is the most healthiest of them all. Lay it down, take this one out, put it directly in, put the soil around, go ahead and water it and things like that. And then I'll be able to then slide this plant in the new home, the new pot for it, okay? So that is the plan, that is the idea, and that's what we're gonna do. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, DKUJ Green Thumb Family channel, okay? It's an extension of our main channel where we talk about plants, indoor plants, outdoor plants, gardening, and everything in between, okay? Anything dealing with green, okay? All right, so let me go ahead and do what I need to do for this, okay? This one first, and then this one. Grab my handy dandy little shovel to go up under it. Wow, this plant has done some dying, but I believe there's still hope. Okay, let me dig around it, get this dirt transported into its new home. Home. So there's too much dirt in here, so I need to take some of this dirt out and start anew. Let's do it like this. Wow, really all of this can go out. Pretty much. Alright, that's it. Now I can fill it back in. One in its new home. Yay, yay, yay. And now we just have to put the Swiss cheese plant in its new flowering pot, and we will be finito. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, just like that, we have switched the pots. Now we have the fig leaf in the smaller pots, and then we have the Swiss cheese in the bigger pots. And I have a terracotta spike that I use for the watering system for this one. Just you know, I'm gonna give it a try and see if this works for this, or if I just need to go ahead and pour the water on top as I was doing before. Not like it was in this pot, but nonetheless, I'm gonna give this one a nice water, put it in a new home. So make sure you tune back in tomorrow to see where I put this big leaf plant, because of your comments on my previous video, I was like, okay, I have a great idea of where this plant can go, and therefore I'm gonna put it there. Hopefully it thrives and grows back from there. I realized the problem to this fiddle leaf plant was that it wasn't getting enough water. It was very dry, the roots was dry, the soil was dry, everything was dry. Okay, so let me do what I need to do, and I showed you what you can do. Roll it out, let it rest, put it in this new home, fill it with soil, good to go. Okay, new home. I look forward to giving you all the results. I'll give it like 3 weeks just to show you all what it looks like. I'm gonna show you tomorrow where this one's gonna go, but nonetheless, I'll let you know how the Swiss cheese plants end up with its transition. Okay, right now it's just a little stunned, but we're gonna get it to where it needs to be, and ultimately we'll be good to go. Okay, love you, people, and again, subscribe if you haven't already done so. Join the Great Thumb family. All right, love you.